Netflix is a streaming service that allows users to watch ad-free content for a monthly fee from almost any internet-connected device. Netflix originally launched their site in 1998 and began their subscription services by mail in 1999. The personalized movie recommendation system was later introduced in 2000. This was a system that used a user's rating to accurately predict other titles that they would be interested in watching. Blockbuster also repeatedly declined offers to buy Netflix for just $50 million in 2000. In 2007, Netflix launched their streaming service. With this, users can stream the rentals on their personal computers. And in 2008, Netflix begins to partner with consumer electronic companies such as Xbox, PlayStation, and Blu-ray so that their users can stream on other devices. Netflix has notably changed the game for television. Many people are cutting their cable bills for Netflix, and this has forced TV companies to change their very structure. As opposed to TV, where viewers have to wait for a new episode to come out each week, Netflix includes every episode of TV shows. This created the phenomenon of binge watching, where users watch as much episodes as they can in a sitting. Furthermore, Netflix has the ability to target shows and movies to the viewers, which forces TV companies to better target and advertise to the right viewers. Because of the popularity of Netflix and other streaming services, TV networks and companies are starting to turn to online streaming services. Disney Channel, ESPN, HGTV, and DirecTV are examples of companies becoming online streaming services. At the beginning, Netflix started as an online DVD rental service, which made it more convenient to rent movies online. However, Netflix gradually changed to an online streaming service. This transition marked the end of DVDs and an era focused on the internet. With the availability of computers, laptops, and broadband Wi-Fi, Netflix adopted the change. Users appreciated the speed and ease of online streaming, which put movie rental businesses in an unfavorable light. Although it may seem the demise of TV and movie rental stores, the movie theaters would go down with them because of Netflix. However, movie theaters have not been impacted by Netflix because users still appreciate the experience of going to a movie theater. This was reflected by movie theaters having their best summer since 1998, according to the research by Comscore. Netflix has changed analysts in content industries' decision-making process. Television companies rely on ratings and pilots to test the success of a TV show. Contrastingly, Netflix mines through an infinite amount of data from users to create an algorithm to see if a potential show would be successful. Content industries will have to change their business models to incorporate algorithms to determine success of TV shows and movies. Netflix uses cloud computing and artificial intelligence technology and is centered around the database called Netflix Media Database, or NMDB. Depending on ratings, Netflix picks similar programs to recommend to the user. This is a prime example of one-to-one marketing. When logging into your Netflix account, you can choose the genre of movie or television you would like to watch. The homepage also gives users different categories depending on their previous choice. Netflix can support seamless global services using Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services enables Netflix to quickly deploy thousands of servers and terabytes of storage within minutes. Users can stream Netflix shows and movies from anywhere in the world, including on the web, on tablets, or on mobile devices such as iPhones. They're essentially made up of a combination of hard drives crammed together in a server. They use 36 drives that can hold about 100 terabytes of data. These servers are capable of storing and streaming between 10,000 and 20,000 movies simultaneously. Netflix has about 1,000 of these spread across the globe. Each one collects content that can then be transmitted to various devices. The information system that Netflix uses to run their businesses are proprietary software, which means most of the technology was built in-house. The most important system that Netflix uses are supply chain management systems and customer relationship management systems. Netflix uses customer relationship management systems to serve customers more efficiently. customer relationship management systems, or CRM for short, discover the needs, wants, and behaviors of the customers. This information is then placed in a data warehouse and then analyzed by the CRM. The purpose of having CRMs is to limit negative experiences with the company and provide subscribers with a positive experience instead. Netflix's CRM system is supported by custom-built artificial intelligence. In particular, Netflix uses a buyer agent, also known as a shopping bot. A buyer agent is an intelligent agent on a website that assists the customer in finding a product or service that he or she wants. Netflix uses supply chain management, or SCM systems to track its inventory and information as it moves through its business process. By using SCM systems, Netflix can reduce the amount of inventory that Netflix keeps at its warehouses and deliver its DVDs quickly. Algorithms are used in a big way at Netflix. Their main algorithm system works off customer recommendations. The recommendation system works putting together data collected from different places. Recommended rows are tailored to your viewing habits. Last of all, Netflix is a true big data company with its main objective of predicting what its customers want to watch. Netflix's big data system is a primary support system for the recommendation software. Data is collected and monitored in an attempt to understand our viewing habits. The on-demand nature and the enormous catalog of movies and TV shows on Netflix makes it attractive for both movie buffs and casual video consumers. Unfortunately, because of Netflix's reliance on the internet, there are usability limitations for people with low internet speeds or for people using metered internet connections. There are also some intellectual property issues that arise from Netflix's ties to the internet. Most notably is how easy it is for users to bypass geo restrictions by using a VPN or a virtual private network. These geo restrictions are meant to limit what can be watched based on a user's location. With a VPN, users can access movies and TV shows that Netflix did not license in their area. In recent times, Netflix has begun to ban the use of VPNs in an attempt to protect the intellectual property that it licenses. One major critique moment Netflix had was last year when they tweeted to 53 people who have watched A Christmas Prince every day for the past 18 days. They said, "Who hurt you?" This led to the controversy for Netflix because it led to questions about what Netflix was using its data on users for. Also, Netflix has been hacked multiple times. The way Netflix tries to overcome these problems is with users' accounts getting hacked by informing users of various things that they can use for best practices to prevent them. In 2017, Orange is the New Black was also leaked. To try to combat this issue, Netflix ensured that the third-party partners had the same cybersecurity practices that they do in-house. And these are our sources.